How's guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of techsceneza. So, Don, I've heard that our favorite drone manufacturer has ventured into audio. Why don't you tell us a bit more about the DJI Mic?
Okay, so I'm really excited about this because I've noticed that when you actually include high quality audio in your videos, even if it's just for TikTok, there's definitely, it feels more rewarding. Like it's actually good to hear good, clean, clear audio.
Yes.
Right? So having a kit like this that comes with two microphones inside here, I mean, we're obviously using it now, but two microphones inside here plus the receiver included is, you can use it on a camera, you can use it on an iPhone, and you can use it on an Android phone as well. So that's the nice thing, is that like any person, even a TikToker, who's just using their phone but have high quality audio, can conduct interviews. There's even the option in here for you to be able to plug in a line input and a lapel microphone. So if you don't like this ugly device sitting on your shoulder here, you can actually hide this in your pocket, have a little string lapel coming up here, and you can get audio that way. The transmission distance is ridiculous, like 250 meters. So you could be walking along the beach and have have some of that background noise cut out with this, but still get high quality audio. You know, if you're traveling, if you're a travel vlogger, whatever it may be, it's just going to sound a lot better.
Yeah.
I think the other thing is that it's a rechargeable case. So you just pop everything in here, and this has got a battery built in here, and it just charges everything up. So you always have a fully charged device.
And I mean, DJI never disappoints us with the quality of their cases and even the products that they put out.
No, absolutely. I mean, we know they pretty much, whatever they've made has been a winner.
Yes.
There's not a single DJI product that I know currently, except the DJI Osmo Action, which was honestly horrible.
Yeah.
There are one or two devices that they've messed up with, I think, but recently they've been really good. And for me, like, we know this is a winner. There hasn't been any major complaints about this device. And more importantly, it has some features that other devices don't have. Namely, the fact that this little receiver is also an audio recorder. It has built-in memory. So right now, our conversation is being recorded on your camera as well as on each device. So we actually can then use the audio. I can just have your audio or just my audio. There's no cross between both the audio in one channel.
Yeah.
So whereas if you're using a phone, if we are both speaking, that both our words are being mashed together. Our voices are being mashed together on the same channel. And the beauty about it is that it has a secondary recording channel that records it, I think, at about -6 dB, it might be, around -6 dB. And the reason for that is you don't end up with blown out audio. Because sometimes you can be a little bit too loud.
Yeah.
And as a result, when you're trying to edit that video, you end up with that distortion. So this is actually recording on a safety channel as well.
Okay.
So there's a lot of features. I mean, there's even more that we can talk about.
You've been using it for 7 days already. What are your pure thoughts about it from the footage that you've recorded?
I love it. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's like everybody's, even if it's just a TikTok video, should have high quality audio. I mean, we've seen it. We've seen the higher quality
and I mean,
videos.
you guys are hearing it directly from the device itself.
Well, they should be able to tell for themselves now, considering the way that we sound. And it is noisy. I mean, it's raining outside. We just had a vehicle go by. I don't know if you heard that or not. So it's not the quietest place that we're in. But tell us what you think about the audio. Leave a comment. So also worth mentioning is that it has 14 hours of recording time and 15 hours of battery life.
Sure.
So if you're a traveler and if you're hiking up a mountain,
the sticks somewhere. 15 hours worth of audio is just like nothing. And I mean, if you're out in the sticks by yourself, I mean, you have two different devices, so it's 14 hours times 2. Virtually 28 hours worth of recording.
And I showed you earlier on how it works. Like literally, as you pop each microphone out of the case, if you pop one microphone out of the case, it only connects to the one, and it shows you that it's connected. It even has an audio meter and all of that built in. So it's got a very nice screen. It's got a lot of settings that you can change. And that's what we love about DJI, the fact that you can play around with so many different settings, different menus, customize things, So I'd rather have something that has more menus and more settings that you can change, as opposed to something that just has one button, switch it on, and you don't know whether it's even recording or not. So this has a lot of features that allows us to know whether we're recording and whether our audio is right.
It's actually one of the purchases on my list in the near future. So You guys have seen it here first. I mean, Limitless Tech is selling it for 7,200 Rand. So you can just pop them a message, drop them a WhatsApp if you are interested in thinking of purchasing one. And I mean, you cover the entire country, am I right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we ship all over the country. I am an authorized DJI retailer as well, so you get a warranty as well.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's a DJI product, so you're not buying something that's El Cheapo. You're buying a high quality product, so we'll give you the service and support as well.
That's great. Yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been the DJI Mic with Prashan from techsceneza and Donny from Limitless Tech. And we'll check you in the next one.
Cheers.